All right, let's move on. Speaking part 2. Describe a time when you missed an appointment.
So first of all, I want to tell you that I am a high myopic patient. So I am very concerned about my eyesight. So I was constantly ignoring about the appointment, about the checkup, eyesight checkup. So finally, I decided to make an appointment, and I booked an appointment with the well-known surgeon in Lahore. And but unfortunately, when I was in office, a ministry visit came, and I couldn't even find time to go there. So I missed my appointment in that way, and I really felt very bad about it, because due to the hectic and tough routine, I couldn't find time to attend the appointment.
All right. Now you should mention what happened when you missed it, explain how you felt about it, and all that. At the end, you should conclude it. Okay, overall, fine. You spoke for 1 minute, 5 seconds. Just try to speak energetically,
Yes.
pleasantly, energetically, and convincingly. It sounds like you're talking to yourself. You're just looking and talking. You just have a little, what do you say, eye contact, then you look down. So try to look into the eyes of examiner and speak a bit louder and clearly. But overall, the context or information you provided, that is relevant. That's good. Let's move on. Speaking part 3. Which events in your country do most people forget?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Sure. Which events in your country do most people forget? Like sometimes people forget their wives' birthdays. And the best way to remember your wife's birthday is to forget it once. Then you will never ever forget it again. This happened with him. अभी तो बाल वापस आ गए हैं. Yeah? All right. Sir?
So I think that
Which events in your country do most people forget? People usually forget
about
birthdays of
birthday.
their friends and
Friends and
family
families.
members. Something like that.
People are used to forget the birthday events.
People are used to forgetting.
People are used to forgetting the birthday of their friends and families, and
All right, try to
no,
be
sir.
fluent, try
Yes,
to
sir.
come up with more ideas, and should be avoided, okay?
Okay, sir.
Practice will beat it. Your English is good. Again, I'm telling you, you just need practice with this, okay? Thank you.